NOKIA N71 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box on your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: metal tweezers, a dental pick, a Torx Plus size 6 screwdriver, a flat-bladed screwdriver, a DC plug, the camera removal tool SS15, the SRT6, and the camera removal tool SS51. Always cover the windows with protective film. Unlock and remove the battery cover. And remove the battery. Use the SRT6 to unlock and remove the A cover, beginning at the hinge end and then working it along the sides. Pay attention to the grounding springs of the shield lid. Unscrew the 4 screws in the order shown. Remove the screws before continuing. Carefully open the LCD AM connector and the flex connector. Swing the unit open and unlock the snap of the B cover with the SRT6. Then use the dental pick to unlock the shield lid assembly. Do the same on the other side. You can now remove the shield lid assembly. Remember to cover the LCD display with protective film. Carefully open the LCD PM connector and remove the LCD PM. Very gently lift up the LR lid PWB together with the main camera. Ease it off the guide pin as shown and remove the board. Separate the main camera from the LR lid PWB. Remove the VGA camera with the SS51. Use the SRT6 to unlock the snap on the side shown, and then release the snap in the middle with the flat-bladed screwdriver. Now lift the B cover a little and release the remaining snaps. And separate the parts. Remember to cover the inner window and the LCD with protective film. Carefully push out the LCD AM from the lid center frame and remove it, paying attention to the LCD flex connector. The earpiece drops out easily with a slight push. Remove the magnet. Remove both hinge caps. Use the SS15 as a support when removing the hinge. Position the hinge exactly over the recess. Pay attention to the flex when inserting the screwdriver into the hinge mechanism, and push out the hinge from its socket. Do not reuse the hinge. Gently unlock the bushing and separate the lid center frame from the lower block. Remove the screw caps with the SRT6. Undo the 2 screws in the order shown and remove the screws before continuing. Unlock the C cover assembly in the manner shown. Open it carefully, disconnect the flex and separate it. Separate the parts from each other. Use the SRT6 to remove the menu key surround assembly. Carefully remove the flex. Undo the screw shown and remove the shield key. Unlock the seat cover slide surround and the key mat. And separate the parts from each other. Remove the seat cover slide assembly. Unscrew the next screw. First open the SD door and remove the SD card if there is one inserted. Then lift off the engine board. Gently unlock and remove the IHF shield. Lift the D-cover IHF lid. And remove the IHF speaker. Remove the IR window. Be very careful when disconnecting the LZBT module from the engine board. Separate the center shield from the engine board. Use the DC plug to remove the DC jack. Use the dental pick to ease up and remove the microphone. The disassembly procedure is now finished.